Okay, so we're going to do an evaluation of the peripheral vascular system of the upper extremities. First, I'm just going to observe the upper extremities, looking for any hair pattern changes, any changes in the skin tone or scars, moles. I'm going to look at the fingers, the fingernails, noting any clubbing, any cyanosis. I'm going to do a temperature evaluation using the dorsum of my hand, feeling for any temperature changes throughout the arms. Okay, next we're going to do a nail compression test. So I'm just going to compress the fingernails and making sure that it changes from pale to, and then quickly recovers back to being light pink or flesh toned. Okay, we're also going to do a dehydration test. So I'm just going to pick up the skin at the dorsum of the hand and making sure that it's going back right away. That also signify edema or dehydration. That was fine. Next, we're going to do check the pulses. So I'm just going to go ahead and have your arm just go ahead and rest there. I'm going to do the radial pulses. At this point, I'm just feeling that the amplitude is the same on each side, and they're going at the same time, which they are. And then we're going to do the ulnar. Okay, good. And then we're going to go ahead and do the brachial at this point too. Okay, good. Come along to this side. So let's stand up. Okay, and those felt equal. And then we're going to do Allen's test to make sure that the radial and ulnar arteries are working correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and just have you squeeze your hands into a fist, and then when I say go ahead and squeeze your hand tight, and then you're just going to open up, okay? So go ahead and go tight, and then come down like this. Now open up. We'll do radial first, and the skin, and then we're looking for it to go pale all the way back to fist to open up. Ulnar, and then going to a red color, and that is equal on the same side. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Fist, come down, open, radial, okay. Squeeze, okay, squeeze, okay, open, and then we'll do ulnar. And it's going nicely from pale to being flesh colored again. And next we're going to do I'm going to look at the lymph nodes. We're going to bring this up to horizontal, or to 90 degrees, and then we're going to check for the lymph nodes. And these are very difficult to feel. You really shouldn't feel them in this location, right where the biceps and triceps tendon, between there. Okay, and that's the epitrochlear lymph node. That's what it's called. We're just going to assess this one as well. And then next we're going to go ahead and look at the lymph nodes in the axilla. We're just going to lift up, and we're going to do the pectoral. Go ahead and go down. And if I do find one at this point, we're going to do the humeral or the lateral. It should be easily movable, kind of rubbery in consistency. I'm going to go back. Looking for something that would be hard and not movable would be a red flag. And then we're going to do the subscapular, and then we're going to go in and do the medial. Okay, and then I would go ahead and do it on the opposite arm as well.